So I'm Therese Osula Winthe. I'm a biology teacher here in East Sussex College, Eastbourne campus. Actually, I started as a biomedical scientist. I practiced for a couple of years, ran a diagnostic laboratory, but I thought I enjoyed teaching students more, so I went into teaching, and ever since I've done that, I don't think I've regretted it. It's been fun. Just meeting different students has been the most exciting part of my job. I would encourage every student out there who really wants to go into science to choose the college as the first one. I've been here for a couple of years now. I've met so many wonderful people, and at the end of their stay with us, they actually will tell you that studying with us has been an interesting part of their lives. I would encourage everyone as well, apart from studying with us, to take an interest in science. There is a lot you can learn from it just by having a look at it. Science, there's always fun activities in science. The practicals are interesting. They are always very different. Even when it's something you think you know already, it comes out to be completely different. Imagine saying DNA in strawberries. That is a brilliant experiment or practical activity to carry out. What about the dissection as well? Just saying how things really look different from what they appear in books is completely an amazing experience as well, and to also find out why does the heart beat the way it does.